Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the device and initiating the update flow. First, make sure the battery is above 50% and you're on reliable Wi-Fi because interruptions cause corruption. Once done, export or back up your Palm Store settings and any custom extensions so you can restore them if needed. Now open the Palm Store app and check its current version. Tap Update if available. This starts the download and verifies signatures to ensure the package is authentic. As the update proceeds, keep an eye on progress and network behavior. If download stalls, pause and retry or switch networks. When the installer asks for permissions, accept only what's necessary for store functions because overprivileging risks security. If the update includes dependency resolution, let it complete and observe logs for missing packages. When you encounter conflicts, clear the Palm Store cache and rerun the dependency resolver. This forces a clean finish by confirming the Palm Store shows the new version and launching several apps to validate functionality. Quick tests catch runtime regressions. Next, restore your backup settings and re-enable extensions one at a time to identify any incompatible add-ons. Make sure to reboot the device after installation so background services restart cleanly. If something still fails, reinstall the store binary from a verified package or clear system caches. As a last resort, perform a fresh install of the Palm Store to eliminate persistent corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.